Hey friends, today we're unboxing two pieces from Girlfriend Collective, and I am so super curious to find out if the brand lives up to the hype. First, we have this luxe paneled unitard. This features really great four-way stretch, and it retails for about $148 OMG. So we're definitely in the premium activewear territory. Right away, I can tell you that the fabric does feel substantial. And one of the fun facts of Girlfriend Collective, this fabric is made up of 77% recycled plastic bottles with 23% spandex, so it's designed to be compressive without feeling restrictive. It has a classic square neckline, very thick adjustable straps. The fabric is theoretically moisture wicking. It is four-way stretch. The side panels are supposed to create support and flatter a wide range of body types. The luxe fabric also has a slight matte sheen, so it looks a little bit more elevated than basic leggings, and it does have a built-in bra. But I don't know how supportive the bra is because I haven't tried it on yet. So I know, being an A cup, I don't really per se need a ton of support, but we will see. Our second piece is the Elena long sleeve bodysuit. This is more of like an everyday layering piece with a sleek fitted silhouette. It has ribbed fabric, long sleeves, no thumb holes. The fabric is a soft stretch. It's meant to hug the body without feeling bulky, and it looks like something you could probably wear under like a harness, a blazer, or an oversized cardigan, depending on your style. Classic design. One thing I appreciate about Girlfriend Collective is that sustainability isn't just about marketing. They actually built the company around recycled materials, and they offer an inclusive size range and have truly focused on making technical fabrics that can transition from athletic leisure workouts to everyday wear. Now, I'm really interested in trying this out because in terms of the fabric, it on first appearance looks like mass marketed brands, so I'm interested to see. And I did get this in extra small. This is a certified factory in Vietnam, and it is 89% recycled polyester, 11% spandex. The gusset is 56% polyester, 33% Coolmax, 11% spandex. It is indeed recyclable. So I'm really curious, after my 85-pound weight loss, whether a premium price actually gets you a better garment. If you've tried any of these brands, don't spoil it, but tell me which one you think is going to win. I am going to do a head-to-head comparison between Girlfriend Collective, Foxblood, and mass market brands. Let me know if you want to see more of this versus that. Bye, ghosties!